Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. In this video we are starting the HTML. The focus of this video is to have some introduction of HTML. HTML, hypertext markup language. This is not basically the programming language like we have done QBasic, like we have done Visual Basic. So unlike Visual Basic and QBasic, it's hypertext markup language. It works with the hyperlinks and the text involving some images and all. Whatever you see on the web pages, this would be the concern. This would be the concern of the web page. So my browser takes the HTML and manipulate the text, manipulate the images, and would be visible as the user wants to see. So HTML. Basically, the application of HTML is of the web browsers, on the web pages. If you want to make the web applications, so HTML is very useful there. Okay, moving on to HTML structure. So HTML structure consists of several parts. First, we have the initial point and the ending point, initialization of the HTML code or HTML script. That would always start from HTML, like this HTML tag. This is called HTML tag. Whatever we do in HTML would be always in the form of tags. So the tags start from these brackets, and we call it angle brackets. This less than sign and greater than sign, between that whatever I write would be considered as the tag. Okay, so starting and the ending of HTML, and the very important tag, the very important section is the body of the HTML, which starts from the body opening and body closing. Whatever I write inside these tags would be considered would be considered in the main body of the HTML. That's the opening and closing, that's the whole HTML, that's the body. And we have here the head. After this head, I have another very important tag, that is title tag. Title would come always in the head, like this. Okay, title, basically the main caption or the title you see on the tab of the web browser of your web page, the title of your web page that you see on the web browser. So this title, whatever I write in between, so would be displayed on that tab. So this is basically the structure of the HTML, which consists of 1, 2, 3, and inside the head I have title. These several tags, we always write these if we want to write the HTML. Okay, so HTML tags like if I want to make anything bold on the screen on the web page, so I would use the B tag for bold. It has opening and it has closing also. Like I want to have anything in the paragraph, so I'll use P tag. I want to make the heading. The heading of means heading size 1, size 2, size 3, size 4, size 5, and size 6. We have 6 types of 6 different sizes of the heading in HTML. So I would use H1 for the highest one. It has closing like that. Okay. And very important thing that we'll be using in the next classes, in the upcoming classes, that the HTML editor. We have several HTML editors. For the initialization, we'll be using the very simple one, the very simple text editor, that is Notepad. So we'll write the codes and we'll write the HTML in the Notepad, and we'll save as a web browser, and we'll see how we can work with the HTML. So that's all for this class. Hope you have got a lot of concepts from this class. If you have any queries, so you can write it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.